to make money on Freelancer as a LinkedIn profile optimizer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner or a visitor coming to this platform to find a LinkedIn profile optimizer, I will just go to hire freelancers in here. Then I'm going to click on by skill. So here I'm going to search for freelancers by the skill. So here LinkedIn profile optimizer. Then I'm going to click on search to find the freelancer I'm looking for. So here click on search. Then you will be able to see what you're looking for. Let's remove the online users to see all users. So here we have Photoshop expert logo, vectorized graphics. So they've just shown us the graphic designers. That's not what we're looking for. We are searching for LinkedIn profile optimizers. So let's search for that and let's see what they're going to suggest. We have honest, skilled, punctual, professional, article writing, copywriting, ghostwriting, article writing, blog, graphic design, internet marketing. That's not what we're looking for. We need a profile optimizer. And let's see what we can find. It's still the same, but anyways guys, the reason I'm showing you this is just to let you know what you're going to learn in today's video. And guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile like those people, where you're going to showcase your skills to the visitors of the platform. So for example, let's check this man's profile just to show you all of the things that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show you how you can add a cover photo to your profile, how you can add a profile picture as well, how you can add the verifications too, how you can have all of them in check. And if you are wondering why do I need those verifications, it's what helps you build more trust between you and clients. So clients, when they find someone who have all of these verifications in check, they lean to work with him more than the others. And also I'm going to show you how you can add a description to your profile and how to add your hourly rate. And the last thing I'm going to show you is how you can add your portfolio as well, because clients like to work with the freelancers who they can expect the kind of job they're going to receive. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your own profile. So here click on the freelancer button and give it a few seconds to load, and here click on earn money freelancing. Then you will proceed to fill in the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to drop my username and my password. Then click on login. And then you proceed to here where you're going to wait to be redirected to your dashboard, where you're going to control everything about your profile. So here click in this button in your top right, where you can control everything about your account and your finances as well. So here you can view your profile, your membership, your account analytics, your video insight and settings. And when it comes to your finances, you can also check your balance. You can add funds, withdraw funds, check your transaction history, your financial dashboard, and your payment sharing as well. So here, let's go to view our profile. And as you can see in here, the profile looks pretty empty. You have nothing in it, zero amount earned, zero ratings, 0% likeliness to accept a project. So let's start filling our profile. So here click on edit profile first, and as you can see, the first thing you need to do is to verify your email verification required. So make sure to verify your email. After that, drop a profile picture, because you cannot work in the platform without a profile picture. Basically, no one will hire you because clients don't like to work with freelancers who don't have a profile pictures. Then upload a cover photo as well. It's better to have one. After that, you proceed to the verifications. So here, make sure to join the elite group of the best freelancers, and also verify your identity through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. Then verify your payment method as well, and verify your phone number, the email, we've talked about it before, and make sure to connect your Facebook account too. And after you're done with the verifications, then you proceed to enter in your hourly rate, then enter your professional headline, and then you head to the summary. And it's where you're going to describe yourself, describe your skill, describe where did you learn it, your previous expertise, your years of experience, and those stuff. Then you proceed to enter in your skills. So here, let's proceed to enter the skills that you can perform. So here, let's go to search, LinkedIn profile optimizer. Let's remove optimizer. Let's remove profile as well, and let's just go with LinkedIn, and let's wait to see what we can find. We have LinkedIn recruiting, and LinkedIn profile. And when you're done with choosing your skills, then scroll down and click on save to save these changes. And after you're done with that, then you proceed to enter in your portfolio. And after you're done with the portfolio as well, then it's time to make some money. So let's go up, go to browsing here, click on projects, and in this page you're going to see all of the listed jobs from clients who are looking for freelancers to hire. So you can just check the job or the project. If it fits you, you can apply for it. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.